1 in 3 people over the age of 85 die with dementia. That means either you or the person sitting on your left or your right will die with dementia unless we can improve treatments. Alzheimer's disease is the most common form of dementia and currently has no cure and no effective treatment. It's caused by a tiny protein fragment secreted by your brain cells throughout your whole life. These fragments are really sticky, so if too many build up, they stick together and stick to brain cells. In this sticky, aggregated form, they're toxic and can get inside brain cells and kill them. When brain cells die, communication is lost, and brain functions are gradually eroded, resulting in memory loss, major changes in personality and behaviour. In short, Alzheimer's. But I just told you, this protein fragment is secreted by everybody's cells. It's happening in your brains right now. So why do some people get Alzheimer's when other people don't? The answer could be in your genes. Last year, a study of more than 8,000 Alzheimer's patients found one version of the gene BIN1 is more common in Alzheimer's patients. BIN1 is involved in how molecules get into brain cells. So maybe it's involved in how these toxic aggregates get into the brain cells and kill them. When I removed all the BIN1 from brain cells in the lab, I found fewer of these toxic aggregates could get inside. So now I need to know, does this help the cells survive? To find out, I've created synthetic versions of these toxic aggregates, and I've added these to brain cells. Then it's simply a case of counting how many cells are still alive. But what does all this mean to the people who matter, to the Alzheimer's patients? Well, once brain cells die, that's it, they're gone. So to treat Alzheimer's disease, we need to catch it early, before too much damage has been done. By studying genes, we can identify people who may be at risk from Alzheimer's, and I'm studying how these genes influence the development of the disease. So once we know who is at risk, we can identify targets for new drugs which could prevent its progression. According to Alzheimer's Research UK, if we could delay the onset of Alzheimer's disease by just 5 years, we could halve the number of people who die with the disease. And my research could contribute to this goal by identifying new drugs and new targets. We can reduce the burden of this devastating disease on both patients and their families. Thank you.